It's funny that your team can binge a 10-hour Netflix series without even taking a break, but when it comes to a 20-minute training course, oh my goodness, suddenly everybody's too busy. Why? Is it that it's that boring? No, it's probably because most training feels like work, not curiosity, not entertainment.
What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you could build a virtual classroom that saves you hours every single week?
No more chasing people for course completion. No more sending 5 reminder emails for one training module. No more wondering who actually logged in. Now, imagine a learning experience so smooth that people can actually want to log in and they want to finish their course. They actually want to stay engaged without one single reminder. That's not magic. It's actually structure. It's design, and it's a bit of psychology. And today, I'm going to be talking about how do we make employees wish to complete training without reminders, without pressure, or without follow-ups. You're actually going to know how to create your own virtual classroom, how to group learners, to organize content into learning paths, and how to automate communication and give everything that your brand's personality wishes to give. All very quickly, all very intuitively. My name's Chika, and here at ProProfs Training Academy, we've helped over 2,000 companies train more than 4 million employees worldwide with AI-powered tools that make it fast, that make it engaging. Also, stay with me right to the end because I have something very special for you that I would not want you to miss. All right, so with that, let's begin the foundation, the virtual classroom itself. The first step is super simple. You just need to visit your training platform, add a new classroom, and give it a name like Employee Onboarding Hub. And it's instantly live. Think of it as building your own digital campus, if you will. One secure space where your learners can actually access every course, every quiz, and certificate without losing track. Modern platforms like ProProfs Training Maker make it very straightforward to create this virtual classroom and to do so online so that you'll actually spend more time customizing content versus wrestling with the setup.
If you've ever had to send 5 reminder emails just to get one course completed, hit subscribe for more practical training ideas that actually work.
Now that classroom is ready, what if you could now manage multiple teams or clients? Let's make it scalable. Ever wonder how some companies handle training for 5 departments, for 3 clients, or for 2 regions all at once? Simply, they create multiple virtual classrooms instead of stuffing everyone into one big one.
Trying to train different organizations in one classroom is like
teaching cooking and coding and yoga together, right? It's loud and it gets super messy and it's exhausting because you don't understand context. So instead, we're going to create separate classrooms for each audience. Each space is going to get its own learning module and admins and progress reports, while you're going to stay in control from one simple dashboard.
Each classroom can have its own set of users, groups, logo, colors, and branding that the learners can see when they log in. When learners from different organizations log in, they see the logo and colors of their organization.
One consultant I know runs 5 different client programs this way, and each client logs into the custom branded portal so that it feels like their own system. Meanwhile, he's able to track all 5 from a single dashboard view. Organized chaos turned into calm engagement. So if you know someone that still crams every single learner into one giant portal, go ahead and share this video with them and you will save them hours of cleanup and confusion. Now, with that said, let's talk about your structure and let's get it ready. Let's make each classroom actually feel like it belongs to you. Branding. It's where your classroom stops looking like a template and it begins to start to feel like your company's home base. Adding your logo, brand colors, and even custom welcome messages that greets every single learner just as they log in. A healthcare company once used its calm blue and white palette to match the uniforms and the website. Employees thought it was an internal system, and that's how much design matters. It's not just about the aesthetics, if you will. A branded virtual classroom builds trust, it strengthens identity, and it keeps your learners engaged because, well, it feels familiar. It's what they see on the walls. It's what they see in their email. It's the difference between I have to take a course and training that actually is part of who we are. Now, that the classroom looks that part, it's time to go ahead and bring the people in. Adding learners used to be the most painful part. Now it's just data done smartly. You can go ahead and add a few names, manually upload hundreds at once through a spreadsheet. The system now handles the rest. Credentials, course access, and invites go out automatically while you get to kind of get back to the actual work. Here's an incident that I can talk to you about. One HR manager that I worked with told me that she added 400 employees in under 10 minutes. And the platform even emailed everyone their login info as she was sipping her coffee. And if your team doesn't use email, think field workers or students. They can go ahead and join using their simple usernames or IDs. Everyone gets access, no one is left out. If you've ever spent half of your morning adding new hires one by one, this shortcut is about to blow your mind and change your week. Go ahead and like this video before you forget, and because this will be your list of helpful videos and it will always be handy for you in the future. Now, once learners are added, let's go ahead and make joining even smoother. Self-registration is the silent admin's dream. Instead of manually enrolling each user, just share a classroom link. Learners fill out a quick form and they're in, like that. For teams that use Google Workspace, the single sign-on, it makes it even simpler. They just click sign in with their Google, skip the password, resets, and they start learning instantly. I once worked with a retail chain that came in through this kind of avenue, and once it rolled out across the 800 employees, in a day, 0 login tickets came back, 0 confusion. That's what automation should look like. So if you know a training manager who spends their weekends adding users manually, go ahead and share this video. They're going to thank you next time their Monday begins. Now, with everyone enrolled, the next move is to guide them through the right lessons in the right order. A learning path turns random courses into guided experiences, and you can make it sequential, where each course, one unlocks the other or the last to keep it open for optional learning. For example, a new hire may start with a company and they begin with the culture section, and then they move on to the safety basics, and then they finish with performance goals. Managers could have a different path, focused on leadership first and feedback. It kind of removes the guesswork. Also, learners always want to know what's next, and their progress becomes measurable, not mysterious. When your training starts guiding people instead of overwhelming them, that's when the learning gets fun again. Go ahead and like this video so that you don't miss smarter ways to build paths like this. And now that the journey is mapped out, let's go ahead and see how to keep everybody updated without spamming their inbox. Keeping everybody informed shouldn't mean juggling 50 different reminder emails. That's where the stream and the announcement features come in. You post updates like new safety module live today or quiz deadlines on Friday, and learners see them right inside their dashboard. It's kind of like a social feed for learning, if you will. It's real-time updates, reminders, even recognition posts. Once a company even used it for birthday shout-outs. Surprise, happy birthday! That's right, training and community all in one place. Now, while the classroom is buzzing with activity, let's see how to track the real progress, the results. Once learners start completing courses, your platform turns into a performance dashboard. You can see who's completed, what and who's halfway through, and who may be needing that reminder. Reports break down the progress by course, by group, or by individual, and it's giving you a full picture of what's working and how it's working. And of course, when learners finish, they instantly earn digital certificates with their name, with their score, and with the completion date. It's recognition that they can be proud of, and you can go ahead and customize it with your branding, for your purpose, for your polished, professional touch. It's motivation and it's measurement all in one neat package. And now that you can track the progress, and now that you can celebrate the wins, let me go and reveal right now that offer that I promised you. Everything you just saw was created using the ProProfs Training Maker, an intuitive, easy-to-use LMS that helps you build and deliver training faster than you ever thought possible. And it comes with several perks like, wait for it, bonus number 1, 500 ready-to-use courses and over 100,000 quizzes, expert-made and ready to launch.
These are fully customizable and can carry your custom messages and information.
Bonus number 2, AI Course Builder. You can turn any topic that you wish into a full course within minutes. Bonus number 3, the AI Quiz. It's a generator that creates polished quizzes instantly with 20+ question types. And here's the early bird offer that I promised you. If you book a demo this week, you're going to get a one-to-one free coaching session with one of our success training experts. They're going to be able to help you perfectly design classroom strategy, and you're going to enjoy a 60-day risk-free trial. So you can try it, build a course, and if it doesn't simplify your work, you can walk away with no strings attached. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get started, because it isn't about selling software, it's about helping you create the virtual classroom experience that people will actually enjoy. Now, what's the toughest part of managing your online training in your team? Go ahead and drop it in the comments. I'd love to see your thoughts, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more practical training ideas that actually work. We'll see you next time. Thanks for being here. Cheers.